One of the things I hear at West Point a lot from people that didn't graduate from this institution is they see West Point as the wellspring of our profession. It is the source of our Army ethic.
Informed by its past, but with eyes to the future, West Point continues to fulfill the mission it was given in 1802, to forge leaders of character. With each new cadet, the long gray line grows longer, each new link stronger than the last.
Good job, good job, good job. It's 1:40 p.m. Just got back my first bird. Oh, welcome back, welcome back. Again, that's the mom of my ace pigeon. I did not send my ace pigeon today. You did well, mom. Welcome back. My ace pigeon is here. He's molting heavily, so I did not send him to the 300-mile race. Okay, one just came back along with my teammate young birds. Come on in. I know you're tired. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. My red bird is back. Good job. Go in. My white bird just came back. Come on. How do you? Good job, girl. You did it again. I think you are fourth to come back today. Good job. Good job. Very good. 300 miles. Good job. Come on. Good job. The late hatch. Come on. Come on. Come back. Come on. Come on. You're tired. Come on. Come on. One more. 7th. Good job. Good job. Come on. Come back, Silver. Good job. Go in, go in, go in. Come on. Go. Yo. 3291. Good job. 3291. Good job. Good job. Come on. Welcome back. Come on. Good job. Welcome back. Good job. Welcome back. Come on. Good job. Welcome back. Come on. Come on.